Class 11. Let us continue the chapter. Next, sum number 12. Sum number 12. The length of major and minor axis of an ellipse are 8 and 6, 8 and 6, 8 units and 6 units. And their equations are y minus 1 equals to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0, respectively. Find the equation of the ellipse. The length of the major and minor axis of an ellipse is 8 and 6. Okay. And their equations are y minus 1 equals to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. Find the equation. Okay. So length of the length of major axis is given as 8 and length of is equal to 6. From here we can write 2a is equal to 8 then. So a is equal to 4. And here 2b is equal to 6, therefore b is equal to 3. Okay. Now point of intersection of two equations y minus 1 and x plus 3. Let us find. Point of intersection of two equations. What are the equations? Y minus 1 equals to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 1 and x equal to minus 3. Okay. Therefore, what is the center? Obviously, when major axis and minor axis intersect, so this should be the center. We know this. This is the major axis. This is the minor axis. When major axis and minor axis intersect each other, that should be the center. Therefore, center is equal to minus 3 comma 1. Okay, that is the center. Now equation of ellipse will be what? Therefore, equation of ellipse is what? X minus alpha whole square by a square plus y minus beta whole square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, now x minus alpha is minus 3, so make it plus 3 whole square by a square. A square means 16 plus y minus beta is 1 whole square divided by b square means 9, that is equals to 1. So this should be the equation. This is the required equation. Understood? Okay, next sum number 13. Sorry, sum number 12 to done. Now next is sum number 14. Okay. Number 14. Prove that SP plus S dashed P equals to 20 for the ellipse x squared by 100 plus y squared by 36 equals to 1, where S and S dashed are two foci of the ellipse and P is any point on the ellipse. Okay, that we have to prove, that means okay. Okay. We have to prove that this question, let me write, prove that SP plus S dashed P is equal to 20 for the ellipse for the ellipse 100 plus y squared by 36 is equal to 1, where S and S dashed are two foci, where S and S dashed are two foci of the ellipse and P is any point on the ellipse. This question actually I didn't find in your book, so that is why it is written. Okay, now see. Prove that SP plus S dashed P is equal to 20 for the ellipse x squared by 100 plus y squared by 36 is equal to 1, where S and S dashed are two foci of the ellipse and P is any point on the ellipse. Okay. Now let me write the equation first. What is the equation of the ellipse? X squared by 36 plus y squared. X squared by 100 plus y squared by 36 is equal to 1. Okay, from here we can write a square is 100 and b square is 36. So a is 10 and b is 6. Okay, therefore obviously we can write a is greater than b. Now foci, therefore foci will be what? When a greater than b, then foci should be plus minus ae comma 0. So ae comma 0, e we don't know, a we know. So let us find the, we have to know this S and S dashed points, otherwise we cannot find this, we cannot prove this. The foci is this, so E we have to find. E equals to square root of 1 minus b square by a square. So square root of 1 minus 36 by 100. So it is coming 100 minus 36. That gives them 64 by 100. So it is coming 8 by 10. 8 by 10 better to write 4 by 5. So E equals to 4 by 5. Therefore, foci will be what? Plus minus AE. AE means 10 into 4 by 5, comma 0. 5 twos are 10. So it is coming plus minus 8 0. Okay. So S, therefore S obviously 8 0 and S dash is minus 8 0. Okay, I think you can see the board. Now, what we have to find out, we have to prove this. Now, SP plus S dash P is equal to SP plus S dash P is equal to 20. It will take time to prove. So, let P, coordinate of P be A cos phi and B sin phi. A cos phi, B sin phi is a point on the ellipse. Let P be a point on the ellipse. Okay. And therefore E stands for what? A cos phi. A means what? A to 10. So 10 cos phi and B is 6. 6 sin phi. 10 cos phi, 6 sin phi. Therefore, SP is equal to what? This is S, this is P. Therefore, SP is equal to 1. Now, distance formula we know, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. We will apply the same. Okay. Now, SP will be what? x1 minus x2 whole square. So, 10 cos phi minus 8 plus 6 sin phi minus 0 whole square. So it is coming 10 cos phi minus 8 whole square plus 36 sin square phi. This is SP. Now for SP square will be what? 100 cos square phi plus 64 minus 18 to 160 minus 160 cos phi plus 36 sin square phi, we can write 1 minus cos square phi. Okay, so So 100 cos square 5 minus 36 cos square 5, that will give us 64 cos square 5. And 160 cos 5 plus 100. 64 plus 36. 5 plus 100 is coming, okay? So this is equals to actually 8 cos 5 whole square. A square minus twice A into B. 8 2s are 16, 16 into 10 and plus 10 square. So it is coming 8 cos 5 minus 10 whole square. This is SP square, okay? Therefore, SP will be what? 8 cos 5 minus 10. That is SP. Okay. Similarly, we have to find S dash P. Same formula. X1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So it is coming 8 cos 5 plus 8. 8 cos 5 plus 8 whole square plus 6 sin 5 minus 0. Okay, so it is coming 64 cos square 5 plus 64. 16 into 8 is how much? 8 cos 5. 10 cos 5. 10 cos 5 plus 8. So it is coming 100 cos square 5. 100 cos square 5 plus 64 plus 64 plus 160 cos 5 plus 36 sin square 5 from here. Okay. So this side when S dashed P whole square means 100 cos square 5 plus 64 plus 160 cos 5 plus 36 plus 36 sin square 5 means 1 minus square 5. So 100 cos square 5 minus 36 cos square 5, that will give you 64 cos square 5. Okay, and 160 cos 5 and 160 cos 5 it will be here. And 64 plus 36 again 100. So 8 cos 5, it is coming 8 cos 5 plus 10 whole square. Here we have got 8 cos 5 minus 10 and here we have got 8 cos 5 plus 10. So is dashed P then will be 8 cos 5 plus 10. Now add these two. Therefore SP plus S dashed P will be, let's add these two, we will get SP plus S dashed P. What we will get? 8 cos 5 minus 10. This is whole square, na? So we can write here 10 minus 8 cos 5 whole square also. 8 cos 5 minus 10 whole square means 10 minus 8 cos 5. So write it here. Otherwise, when we are adding, it is not coming. So that is, I just change it. It will be 10 minus 8 cos 5. Okay. And here now add this plus 8 cos 5 minus 8 cos 5. These two will be cancelled and 10 plus 10 we will get is 20. And then it will be proved. Okay. So now next sum coming with new video.